welcome to Tinker Academy, Tinker Tanker. James is joining me today for an unboxing video because we got a whole bunch of stuff from Adafruit. Like we have too many kids and too little hands, so we'll use the Wheel of Fortune to tell us like what we should open first. Fifteen. What's 15? Flotilla. Oh my gosh, that's the best set.
I've never seen this.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, really nice. Welcome to the Flotilla crew. Okay. So, what is that? An octopus? Breakout board? Power, hello, talking. Okay. Get started. The best way to get started is by heading to this website. I should just off that recording. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. Look at that. It's an octopus, and then this is some sort of breakout board or... Okay, so this is supposed to go to your computer. It is super cute. Look at that. It says like ropes stowed beneath. Cables probably. Yep. Whole bunch of cables. So, what exactly is this thing? It's for the Raspberry Pi. Shucks, we have a Raspberry Pi. Now we have a Raspberry Pi! James found a Raspberry Pi. And we are gonna try to put this together. I guess, like, actually maybe...
a micro USB.
Yes! Okay.
I wonder if it works.
I hope it works. Okay, so while James sets up the Raspberry Pi, let's look inside here. Ta-da! Yeah, everything's upside down. Sorry. What does the color code mean? I don't get it. Motion touch number. The color code doesn't mean anything. I don't get it. I don't get the color code.
We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out. See. Maybe. I must say, like the Flotilla Treasure Chest, like has really nice packaging. I really like it.
It's a cost. You need a Raspberry Pi of two or three.
We finally got Raspberry Pis. Okay. Yes. So a whole bunch of different modules, I suppose, with no. Don't really get what the colors stand for, but maybe it's just aesthetics. Rainbow, a simple way for you to give feedback in your creations. Use these rainbow lights to indicate mood. Show what an input module is doing or even create a wash of beautiful color. But this rainbow LED only has... Oh my gosh, I thought there was nothing inside. You have to look in the... Oh! Ta-da! This rainbow only has 5 lights. How to rainbow? Okay, rainbow, yellow, motion. I see it in mobile phone and games consoles. Can we just open this and like play?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Let's
yeah.
look at what's inside it.
Okay.
So, what do you have?
I have a motion sensor probably, seen in mobile phone and game consoles. Miniature sensors are only one step above nanotechnology and can make sensitive measurements about movement. Oh my gosh, it's quite small. It is tiny. Nice. Okay. I guess we put it here. Oh, we should put it on top of this thing. Yes. Next one.
We have touch sensor. The button is one of the simplest ways to interact with electronics. The touch module gives you 4 buttons that can be activated at the slightest touch of your fingers.
Is that activity? Did they spell activated wrong? Activated. It's activated. Okay, yeah, let's see.
Flotilla.
Activated. Check that. Okay, number. Simple simple way to show numbers such as countdowns of the time used everywhere, from calculators to car-based. What is car-based time machines?
Car-based.
Well,
Wow, that's cool.
oh, that's actually quite cute.
Yeah.
That's seriously cute. Actually, so far all the modules are really cute. They come with like what they are at the back. I still have no idea what the colors mean, but I guess we will find out.
I feel like possibly the red ones are like basic.
Basic?
Then, so like your standard ones.
Uh-huh.
And then like the purple ones are maybe more intermediate side of things.
Okay.
And if you really want to bring your
Project.
project to the next level, you start like adding more and more.
Oh, okay. So small. Okay, as usual. SMD components will be tiny. Color.
Put something on top of this, tell a computer what color it sees. Great for scientific experiments, identifying foods. Great for building your own sweet sorter.
Okay, idea. Color.
The barometer.
You have many miles of hair sitting on your shoulders. These sensors detect changes in the weight of the air, which can tell you when you change elevation or when the weather is changing. It also has a handy temperature sensor.
Oh,
Sounds cool. And all those.
oh, it's so cute
Oh.
again. It's so cute. It's so tiny and cute. Wait, that's very interesting. Look at the icons at the side of this. Like you see, this is like
Yeah.
there's like half it's like a rainbow or a bullseye, but then this one
Sounds
has a,
like a cloud kind of thing.
yeah, that's cool. Huh?
Yeah.
Then this one has a shucks. What's this one mean? Motion. It's like a key. I don't know. Yeah, barometer. Matrix. Okay.
Yeah, basically LED matrix. Very simple version of the displays you see on computers and electronics everywhere. Shows very simple graphics and feedback from your creation.
There you go. Oh, it's so cute. Everything
Yeah.
is so cute. Everything is freaking cute.
I feel like I use this a lot.
This one?
Yeah. It's like
The alphanumeric one?
Yeah.
What's that?
Whoa. This is light. This little eye detects how much light is bumping into it.
Oh.
This this is great for telling when it's night and day. Oh.
It's cute. Oh yeah, you have a night and day at the back.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Or even when something is getting close to the sensor and blocking it. Also, you can use like a levering,
There's a light sensor, right?
light and like proximity, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's true. Why do you have two? That's interesting. We give you two.
I guess like ultrasonic sensors are always two. Like, everything comes great in pairs.
Okay. Oh, and then I guess they ran out of boxes, so they decided that everything should be together.
Yeah.
Oh no, this is the parts. These are the parts that will be too big to fit into like sloppy things like this, right? Yeah, because you have a
Actually.
yeah. Yeah, it's quite heavy, right? There's motors, bits, joystick, dials, and sliders. So definitely these things like kind of jut out, I'm sure.
Wow.
Oh wow, it's like a treasure chest. Okay, oh the color. It's gonna fall, I feel. Okay, no, it's okay. Okay, so we have motors. Show that off.
It's like a slider.
Sliders. Oh, the motors are. Oh my gosh, the motors are cute too. Everything is really cute. Okay, what else is there?
I got a car with this.
Oh yeah, because you have wheels. The wheels have like jelly
Tires.
tires, yeah, and they're orange. Wow.
Everything is like so colorful.
Yeah, I love it. Loves it.
And the joystick.
Joystick, yes.
Wow.
Nice.
It's like what do you call this?
Potentiometer, dial. I guess they call it a dial, but usually we call it a potentiometer. And then a whole bunch of plastics, bolts and nuts. That's cool. Wow. I wonder if they had to make this like specially. That's quite up there. I must say.
Pretty sure everything's like
Okay, true. Everything
Yeah.
is definitely custom made. Like the PCBs.
I could make something. I'll make a car because like you have two motors, two wheels. You have like
You think if it's like a Bluetooth kind of
yeah,
true, right? But your dog would have to move with your car, right?
yeah.
Yeah, then you can't have this as like another one. Unless you have another of this, right? light sensor. That's what it's for. So you don't crash into a wall.
Yeah.
Or if you crash into a wall, you can tell what color it is because you have a color sensor. Wait, okay. So what are these things? Do you think I could put a car on it?
Oh,
Really? Whoa! And then you can use the screws to screw it down. Oh! And then like, look at these. These are ropes because we are on a pirate ship. But micro USB cable, essentially. Ooh! How does it feel like using the plastic screws? I've never seen these plastic screws. Plastic screw. Use a screw.
I don't know, where is it like?
Is it?
Columns.
Where is it kicking in?
I think you put the plastic screws around.
Yeah.
I need to share.
You can try that. And then there is. I guess you have to cut this out using like a scissors or a pen knife, which makes me really lazy and not feel like doing anything with this anymore. But so what comes with this? I guess you put it into here. And then, like now that I've seen the sensors, you have like these. Oh yeah, over here you can see that. You have like a circle that's engraved into it. So I guess you could essentially put your sensor in like that, and then screw it on, and then put your rainbow lights here, screw it on. If you can see it, I don't know. And this comes with like a whole bunch of slits, where I assume that you would be slitting stuff like this in. They have like. Under the sea, busy bee with traffic light. I don't know why. Trees. Oh, it says diorama. Using a background, the pieces on these cards and the base plate to make a scene. Cut the marked corners on the background and slide it through the slot and under the plate on the marked fold line. Right? What? Where's the background? Oh, wait. This is background. So you have two different backgrounds, and then you can put this into where? Base plate. This is the base plate, I think.
I think they're all base plates.
They're all base plates.
Depending on like what you want.
Oh, no. There's one long one for this. So you could technically like gap, and then put it in here.
And then you can put these in there.
Yeah. Oh wow, but I'm a bit lazy. But okay. Oh shucks, I just realized if I cut this up, I won't have any more instructions.
Something that I noticed is that the screws have different heights. So just be careful of which one you're using. Some require a bit higher, and some is it higher or longer?
Longer,
some
yeah.
require a longer screw, some require the shorter screw.
Okay, we got our little background diorama scene, and let's just which way goes up? This way. Put it in here. Yay. Now what is that for? Is that for the mood light?
Touch. I have a feeling they're like over in the cookbook. There are different like tutorials that you can follow.
They call it recipes.
Yeah. It's cool.
That's
So
actually really
you
cool.
can actually pick which module you want, and then it will give you like the tutorial based on that.
Anyway, I guess what I really like about this kit is that they're really small, compact, and I guess that would help sometime. If your project is it has to be small. We haven't tried any of them yet, but we'll see. The website that they have is also, it looks really neat. Like a whole bunch of different stuff that you could do, and they probably will add some more, or like get the community to add more to that as well. Link down in the description. Okay. Yeah. James, what do you like about the kit so far? I mean,
It's
we haven't tried
colourful,
it.
and then it has very unique art stuff. That's what I feel. So like each, like if you're wondering what each of them do, you just look at the icon on them, and you can easily find out what they are. And
More or less easily. I don't know if I would like look at like, oh, I get it. It's like an eye and rainbow, so you're like, you detect what color the rainbow is. But well, would you think like a boat
it's motion.
is motion?
I get motion sickness, I guess. Yeah.
Right, that.
So I guess another thing is the website. Yes, it's quite comprehensive for the tutorial. So that's something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the theme of the whole thing. Like they decided to do a theme and then they like went all out with it. Yeah. So even like the tutorials are like called cook recipes in a cookbook. And here you are with like the Flotilla Treasure Chest, so you feel like a pirate. But then like inside, instead of saying like, oh, these are cables, they have like what was it? It was like ropes stowed below kind of thing. So that was really fun. And everything is just designed to kind of reiterate that yes, I'm a treasure chest on the bottom of the sea. Aye aye. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Since we're too lazy to code this today and set up the Raspberry Pi, peace out.
If you like this video, like and subscribe. Share it with all your friends.
Yeah! It's James's last day today, so therefore he is going to be on our YouTube channel. If you want to see him back on the channel, tell us and we will pull him back. Yeah!
Your video is not staged, not
It's
prepared.
not, no script,
It's
no
like
nothing.
completely natural
I forgot
reaction
even
to.
to like include this.
Why is the inside of a fish?